Today I'm going to give an overview of our multimedia 2 in Canvas. So here I'm starting at the dashboard. So we're going to click on the Multimedia Design 2. And this populates with a menu here on the left-hand side, along with some recent announcements. And there also is a tab in the menu for additional announcements if there are any. Below that is general class items, as well as getting in touch with Dr. Francom, and the assignments by week. And to see those in more detail, you can go to modules as well. So from here, we're going to click syllabus, and in the syllabus tab you can download the actual PDF of the class syllabus. So next we're going to go to the actual modules. This is where you're going to see detailed information about the class assignments. They're broken down week by week, and this week we're working on the video tool lesson 3, so I'm going to click there. This gives you a breakdown in detail about what is expected for this assignment. And to start the assignment, you click the Start Assignment button. It's going to give you some different options to include your file or your link to submit the assignment to the instructor. And within that, here's the Submit Assignment button. Here is the Grades tab. You click on that to view all of your graded items that you've submitted. Here's a Neat tab, and this is going to show all the individuals within the class as well as our instructor. And you can click a name and it will populate a profile. This item is going to be accessing WebEx if your teacher or instructor has that installed. Class climate is done later in the semester. It's a type of assessment of the class. Microsoft OneDrive is going to give you access to your OneDrive files. Class notebook. This is a OneNote option where you can keep notes for the class. And then if you have access to Microsoft Teams classes, if that's what is used to access your class information or anything pertaining to the class through Teams, and then also if your class meets through Teams, that would be available here. So going back on this main menu on the left-hand side, along with your dashboard and your courses, you're offered a calendar that helps you keep track of which items you have completed. This is an inbox for messages that circulate through the class. Here's history. It gives a profile of where you have been recently, looking through content for the class. The studio is where you can upload external files. Go back to the dashboard and log back in to the home page for this class. And I hope that this introduction to our Canvas class has been helpful. Thank you.